Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to create an STL file. In the previous video, we did a quick exercise and we designed a curtain holdback, and you can see the design on the screen, and it was pretty easy. If you want to look at the details of how we designed this part, please go back and watch the video. And in this video, we're going to create an STL file so we can 3D print it. And we will go to the file on the top left corner and we will click on Save As, and do not directly click on it, just click on the arrow, and that will give you the Save Copy As option, and click on that, and that's gonna bring you to the Save Copy As window. Before you name it and save it, click on the Options button, and that's gonna show you the STL file Save As options window, and make sure that your settings are correct. Default settings of Autodesk Inventor might be slightly different. My surface deviation is at 0.005, my normal deviation is at 10, and max edge length is at 100%, aspect ratio is at 21.5. And the resolution is set to high, and I designed it in millimeters, so my units is set to millimeters, and I have the other options at the bottom unchecked. And in the future, you can experiment with these options. We can go into more details in the following videos, but right now, these are the settings that you should experiment with first. And I'm going to click on OK. And once you save it, it shouldn't change it again. So you can just keep using it without worrying about the options. And we are going to go to Save as Type. Your default is probably going to be set to IPT, Autodesk Inventor Parts File, and you can click on that menu and select STL file .stl. Once you selected the file format, you can rename it, and let's say curtain holdback, and save it to my documents folder. And after we save this file, I can go to that folder and take that file to a USB drive, and I can take that USB drive to a 3D printer and print it. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the 3D printed part and how it worked out. I will probably make a video of that and give you some feedback. Thank you.